In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Figma to Webflow in 1 minute new plugin. Start by opening your Figma project, the one you're ready to bring into Webflow. It helps to have your frames organized and named clearly before you begin, but don't worry if it's not perfect. The plugin does a lot of the heavy lifting. With your file open, head to the very top left corner of Figma and click the Figma logo. This opens the main menu where you'll find all the tools and settings you need. From that menu, hover over Plugins to reveal more options, then choose Manage Plugins. This takes you to the area where you can find, install, and run plugins. In the search bar, type Figma to Webflow. You're looking for the plugin titled Design in Figma Launch in Webflow. Select it from the results. If you haven't installed it before, follow the quick install prompt. If it's already installed, you'll see the option to run it right away. Go ahead and click Run. The plugin will open and may prompt you to connect to Webflow so it can move your design across. When the authorization window appears, select your Webflow workspace. If you're part of more than one, choose the workspace where you want this project to live. Then click Authorize App. This grants the plugin permission to access assets and communicate with your Webflow account securely. If you're not signed in to Webflow in your browser, log in first, then return to the authorization flow. Once you've authorized, the plugin is connected and ready. At this point, it can interpret your Figma layout and prepare it for Webflow, keeping structure and assets aligned as closely as possible. For best results, keep layers grouped logically, use auto layout where appropriate, and ensure images are placed as fills or image layers rather than pasted bitmaps. Small details like consistent text styles and proper constraints can make your Webflow output cleaner and easier to refine. If the plugin search doesn't show the exact name, double check your spelling and that you're in the Manage Plugins view. Also, save your Figma file before running the plugin. This minimizes any chance of losing recent tweaks. After authorization, you're set to continue in Webflow, where you can fine-tune interactions, responsive behavior, and publishing settings. And that's it. You've connected Figma to Webflow using the new plugin, streamlined the handoff, and set yourself up to build faster with fewer manual rebuilds.